Hello Dnation and welcome back to an unbox and review episode. In today's episode we're going to be unboxing the Harley Davidson 1998 FLHT Electra Glide with the Sidecar, which is a 1/18 scale manufactured by Maisto. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, in today's episode, I want to save you the trouble of running through the entire process of unboxing this beautiful diecast motorcycle, and so for a change, I went ahead and pulled up one of my all-exclusive 1/18 scale Harley Davidson licensed diecast motorcycles that is in fact one of the most popular models of its kind. So let's go ahead and take a look at this all-time classic replica. And now, as we know what this licensed model looks like, and with that out of the way, let's go ahead and look a bit further into this well-detailed 1/18 scale diecast motorcycle replica. To begin with, this model is a licensed product of Harley Davidson, and this motorcycle is an all-time classic which looks quite premium and has a good build quality to it and has quite a bit of details. And this model is manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components with ABS plastic, which makes them premium looking. This model measures in 4.8 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 1.5 inches in width and weighs in at about 209 grams. And the Sidecar measures in at an additional 1.5 inches in width. This model also comes with spot-on paint apps and branding details and has free rolling wheels, excellent suspension and a lot more details, which makes it an amazing collectible. And just so you know, this Sidecar can be detached by removing the screw if required, but I like to retain the original look, so I'm not going to tamper with this for sure. And with this model you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist. And so with that being said, now let's place this classic beauty on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding this premium diecast model in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with this premium classic model. And so with that being said, let's place this diecast motorcycle on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this beauty on wheels in a 360-degree view. And as we take a look at this all-time classic, here are a few fun facts. A sidecar motorcycle is a three-wheel vehicle with the side wheel not directly aligned to the rear motorcycle wheel and is usually powered by the rear wheel only. This is different from a trike, where both rear wheels are powered and share a common axle. However, either P.V. Mokharov of the Soviet Union or H.P. Baughn of Great Britain seem to have been the first to employ a driven sidecar wheel in 1929. Baughn two-wheel driven outfits were so successful in trail events in the early 1930s that there were attempts to have the ACU ban them from the competition. A great many companies experimented with the two-wheel drive in sporting events, and indeed many companies employed them in military vehicles prior to the commencement of World War II. And currently the Russian manufacturer Ural produces several models of the two-wheel drive that can be engaged as desired. And for further information on sidecars, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this 1/18 scale diecast motorcycle that is featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And I want to seize this opportunity to thank all my Dnation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback. And as we continue to rush to our 500 subscriber mark, kindly continue to support Dnation and stay tuned for a lot more coming up. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, kindly do drop your comments below. And stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.